Hello everyone, it's me. I am here at Epcot for the first day of the 2019 Flower and Garden Festival, and as you can see, it is going to be very crowded, but that's kind of to be expected today. We're going to try some food and see all the different topiaries and displays and just take y'all around, and it's going to be a lot of fun. And also I am using not my cell phone today, so hopefully this video turns out well. Okay, I am now walking towards the front of the park. It took about 15 minutes to park just because it's really crowded, and the park just opened about 15 minutes ago. It's around 9:15. Epcot Flower and Garden Festival goes on from today, which is March 6th, to June 3rd. So you got plenty of time to come see it if you're coming down here between March, April, May, June. We'll probably be back many times, so I'm going to try just a couple of the things I'm really excited to try from the food booths and all that, and just kind of show you all around and all that. And I got a fast pass for Soarin first, so that's the first thing we're going to do. So that penguin statue was made from materials that people bought and then did not throw away up properly, so that's kind of cool. A pretty statue of a penguin. If you like penguins, I know I do. I got my festival passport, so the food booths don't open until 11 o'clock, but I got the passport so I can see what I want to eat and what topiaries are available, and I can check those off as I go along. But for now, we're going into Soarin and the land.
Soarin to town. We are ready for takeoff. Alright, Cody's about ready.
Okay, now I'm gonna go ride Figment because it's still not 11 and I still have a fast pass. But look, here he is in topiary form. He looks so cool.
And so, as you can plainly see, imagination works the best when it's set free.
You said it, Doc. Imagination is a blast.
Okay, Figment's done, so now I'm going to go into this butterfly garden because it is still 10:30 and there's still no food open and available yet, which is pretty much the main reason I come to these festivals. So let's go see some butterflies.
Yes.
Oh, the loop, yes. How do you come this way?
I trained this one. I see that.
I touched one and I don't know if I was actually supposed to do that or not, but I touched one and it was really cool, but it was also very motionless, so it might have been dead, but I still touched it. This is where we get the festival magnets if you're an annual pass holder every year, and you saw in my Festival of the Arts video that I got the Figment magnet, and this year they're giving away 2 for the Flower and Garden Festival. One of them is Pluto and the other one is Daisy Duck, and I am so excited. Look, it's so cool. I think it's my favorite so far just because of the colors, and also because Pluto has never been on one, and neither has Daisy. Daisies you can start getting, I believe, mid-April they start giving those out. So you got about half of the festival to get this one, and then half to get the Daisy one. So we will come back and get that one later. Okay, it is finally past 11, and I am finally going into World Showcase, and I'm gonna eat so much food. This is a line for one single booth. It stretches like way farther than I've ever seen anything stretch for a festival booth. And it's because they have these orange bird zippers. If I can find a picture on the internet or take my own, I'll put it in. And they're really cool, and I was gonna get one. I don't know how much they were, but I think I'll just wait until some other time because it's really crowded. Oh, I'm going the wrong way, never mind.
What's that?
Thank you.
A moment. Thank you.
I mean, these are pretty much the same thing you'd get in like any Chinese restaurant, but I mean, come on, they look delicious. They're crab and cream cheese wontons. It kind of fell over, but here's my slider. I don't remember what's in it, but it's huge. And look, there's a pickle and a sausage, and I'll put all the ingredients in there now, but I'm gonna eat it. I got Frushi, which I mean you pretty much have to do at Flower and Garden at this point. It's pretty much a staple, but it's almost gone. But it was really delicious, as always. Look at Kermit.